Hello everybody, Alistair Starkey Outdoors here and welcome back to my channel. And today we are carrying on with the table that I'm currently making. I've got one of the legs here and I've got myself a Makita jigsaw. I've also got a few other power tools that I got on Facebook Marketplace for free. So we're going to be testing them out and they do work. And I've done a little test run here as well. So we're going to be cutting the legs today. Don't know how many we've got, but there's quite a few. But with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so cutting the legs. I've already done my test line here, which is also where I need to be cutting. So need to release this, move it that way. Tighten it up so it's not going anywhere. And then, actually no, that's not easy to cut. Do it that way. There we go. So I can see what I'm doing. I've also got myself I've got two of these, two measuring tapes, just in case I need them. So, safety first, make sure you've got your line. And that is a straight edge. For once I've cut straight. So I only need to do that another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23 times. Great success. So spare wood over there. You're not going to believe where it's just landed. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. It has just landed there. No way. Okay, so let's get these done, and I'll probably time lapse this bit, and then we can sort something else out. So let's get to time lapsing. Okay, so with all these cut, all the main legs for the table, 4 legs for the table, still haven't sorted out the grooves where they're going to lock into place, where bolts are going to go through them, and then a piece of wood's going to go between those legs. Not too sure yet, I haven't done that yet. I'll probably use that on the small table saw behind me. But now it's time for the legs on the benches. There's 2 benches and 4 legs on each bench, as in like that. So there's 8 legs of these to cut, 45-degree angles. Now once all them are done, I should then be able to start making the grooves where each of them lock in, and then we can go from there basically. But that's going to have to be done on the table saw behind me to still be able to get a nice cut. So with that being said, let's get back to the time lapse, and the last 2 I will do, no, the last 1 I'll do normal speed. Here we go.
Woke up with the weight.
So disaster has struck. The blade has snapped inside and snapped there. So I'm gonna have to wait now until I get some new blades. Great. Not what I wanted. So at least I managed to do the legs for the table. Because I can't really start doing the angles, so the slots where each of them slot in until I've finished all the angles, which is highly annoying. So we're gonna have to leave it here for this one, because I'm not messing about with that. Actually, bear with me one sec.
Three sisters of the sea, born of iron and steam, Titanic, Britannic, Olympic, a grand maritime dream, majestic in their glory, pride of the White Star Line, little did they know.
Okay, so I've had to change the design because the legs that I had cut were completely off and wasn't going to work. So I have a new toy, a Einhell table saw, no, chop saw even. So yeah, happy with this. Just got it today, but 2 weeks after the initial recording of the first part of this video. So I've got my piece of wood. We're going to do a different type of leg, so it's going to be like a T-leg for all of them. It's going to be a little bit different, a little bit quirky, but yeah, let's get into it, shall we?
In aging waters far from land, Olympic sailed on bravely, outliving her siblings' plight, but carried the weight of their memory through day and night. The ghosts of those who perished still linger in the deep, their stories etched in history, promises we couldn't keep. Echoes of the past, whispers in the waves, these ships create stories, some lost to watery graves. The ocean holds their secrets beneath the icy foam. Two sisters never made it to their promised home.
Okay, so that is going to be it for today. If you have enjoyed, thank you very much, and like the video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel grow and it lets me know that you guys and girls like this type of content. More to come. I'm going to cut today's video short because I've got to get ready for work, but yes, thank you very much for watching with my new toy. Bye for now.